Now, this is exercise 3.4 in which we have to find A inverse, means inverse of a given matrix when the matrix is of 3 by 3, means the orders are 3 and the rows are 3. 3 by 3 matrix is given. This is here. A is equals to 2 minus 3, 3, then 2, 2, 3, and then 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 and 2. Clear? This is the given matrix, and we have to convert, we have to find the inverse of this matrix A. Clear? Now, the process already I have shown to you that first you convert this element into 1, means first A11 into 1, then A21 into 0, then A31 into 0. After that A22 into 1, A12 as 0 and A32 as 0. First you convert this element as 1, then this element as 0, then this element as 0. Then in second column, first this element as 1, then this element as 0, and this element 32. A, after that I am writing here A32 as 0. Clear? Then in the third column, then you convert this element A33 as 1, then A13 as 0 and A33 as 0. Clear? This is the order in which you have to convert the elements into 1 and 0. Clear? Keep this order in your mind. Once again, I am explaining. First you convert A11 into 1, then A21 into 0, then A31 into 0. Then come to the second column. In that, first you convert this A22 into 1, then A12 into 0, and then A32 into 0. Then in the third column, first you convert this element A33 as 1, and then you convert this A13 as 0, and then this A32. This is 32. This is 2, 3, not 3, 2. A33 as 1, then this is A13 as 0, and then A23 as 0. This is 2, 3. Clear? As 0. Okay. After that, let us start. Since solution part. Since A is equals to IA, so write it down. A here. 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3 minus 2, 2. Then is equals to I. This is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Excuse me. And A. Clear? Now your first task is to convert this 2 into 1. Now for this you have many options. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So I can use this row transformation as R1 tends to R1 plus R2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. R1 plus R2 minus R3. So I am using this elementary transformation. Then the result will be. Now, here is a change in R1. So R2 and R3 are as it is. You write it down first. So see here, R2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 2. And here it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and A. Done. After that, now you see R1 plus R2 minus R3. 2 plus 2 minus 3. See here. R1 is 2, R2 is 2, R3 is 3. 2 plus 2 minus 3. This is 1. Clear? Then for next item, now R1 is minus 3, R2 is 2 and R3 is minus 2. Now you check. Minus minus plus, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 3, it is 1. Then the next is 3, 3 and 2, 3, 3 and 2, 3, 3, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. Then after that you come that side, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, it means 1. Then 0, 1, 0, 0, then this is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, means 1 minus 0, 1. And 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 1, that means minus 1. So this is the first operation in which आपका ये एलिमेंट टू 1 में कन्वर्ट हो गया है. अब आपको क्या करना है, इसको इसके साथ ऑपरेशन लगाना है और 0 बनाना है, और इसको भी इसके साथ ऑपरेशन लगाना है, 0 बनाना है. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप, सी हियर, ये कौन है 2 और ये कौन सी है R2. R2 टेंस टू क्या करेंगे, R2 माइनस इसको 2 से मल्टीपल करो, 2 से मल्टीपल करो, 2 माइनस 2 0 बन जाएगा. तो R2 टेंस टू R2 माइनस 2R1, इसको 2 से मल्टीपल करो, 2 माइनस 2 0 बन जाएगा. नाउ R2 में चेंज है तो अपन क्या करेंगे, R1 R3 कॉपी कर लेंगे. 1 1 4 एंड दिस इज 3 माइनस 2 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 1 minus 1 0 0 1 and A as it is. Clear? Now see here, R2 minus 2R1. Now see, R2 minus 2R1, R2 2 R1 1 0, then 2 1 2 1 again 0, 3 4, this is 3, this is 4, 3 minus 8 minus 5. Then R2 is 0 and R1 is 1. 0 and 1, 0 1, that means minus 2. Like 1 1, this is 1 1, 1 1 means 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus 1, this is 0 and minus 1, that means 2. So this is next step. अब देखो ये 1 बन गया, 0 बन गया, अब इसको 0 बनाना है, इसको इसके साथ ऑपरेशन लगाओ. R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. Clear? नाउ यू सी क्या आ जाएगा, जब आप ऑपरेशन लगाओगे तो R3 में चेंज है, R1 R2 एज इट इज लिख लो, 1 1 4 0 0 minus 5 and here it is 1 1 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 1 2 and A as it is. Now see, R3 minus 3R1, R3 is 3, R1 is 1, 3 minus 3 0, then minus 2 and 1, this is minus 2 and 1, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, then 2 and 4, this is 2 and this is 4, 2 minus 12 minus 10, then 0 minus 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, that means minus 3, then 0 and 1, once again minus 3 and last 1 and minus 1. So this is R3 minus 3R1, R3 is 1 minus 3 and minus 1, 1 minus minus plus 3 means 4, so this is 4. Clear? So by the end of this, see your first column 1 then 0 and then 0, it is done. Clear? That's it. Then we'll come to the another part.